no day is the same. So there are always surprises, there are always problems to solve, and that makes it exciting.
You really have the opportunity to be the best professional you can be at Theiss.
There's never a problem. There's always a solution.
How much time we have?
Because we're excellent at what we do. No, really, that's the honest answer.
Whatever, yeah.
Okay, this one.
I will choose this one.
My God.
Oh, come on!
Build up this piece of furniture. Yay!
I think we are a cool place to be because there is people who strive to achieve the best in a very friendly environment.
Well, Theiss also means that we work with the smartest people on the most complex matters.
We never do a mediocre work. You simply, whatever you do, you really give it your best.
It's not just a local law firm. It's a global corporate.
We really have a very, very strong team across our offices. People who are passionate about the law, people who are willing to learn and to grow and invest in themselves and then share the knowledge with the clients, but also within their teams. So the people are definitely not one of the reasons, but the reason why Theiss is this successful. It's something that I think sets us apart and something that a lot of other firms should be jealous of.
I think I did it.
This is what I did.